Hi everyone, Jay here from JaySplainsFood.com with Carbonara Americana. Yes, this creamy, cheesy, bacony pasta dish is a truly American version of the Italian classic carbonara. What is carbonara, you ask? Let me explain. Carbonara literally means coal miner's wife in Italian, which has absolutely nothing to do with this dish, so I'm not sure why they call it that. But it is a pasta dish with a cheesy, creamy sauce made of eggs instead of cream. So you want to boil up your pasta, which can be spaghetti or linguine or fettuccine. And while the water is coming up to a boil, you want to take your bacon and cut it into small little pieces like this and place them into a cold pan and turn the heat to like medium low. Why a cold pan, you ask? Let me explain. When you place the bacon in a cold pan before turning on the heat, it allows the fat to render out slowly. And since you need the fat for this dish, that's a good thing. Be sure to watch your bacon bits. Be sure to adjust your heat so you don't burn them. You just want them nice and crispy, and you need to move them around frequently as well. Now, while the water is coming up to a boil and the bacon is doing its thing, you'll want to finely mince 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and then beat 4 whole eggs and add in your Parmigiano Reggiano cheese, freshly grated, please. Why freshly grated, you ask? Let me explain. Pre-shredded cheeses are mixed with an anti-caking agent, which is usually like potato starch or cellulose, which is really sawdust, and nobody likes eating sawdust. Once your water is boiling, add in your pasta, and be sure to stir the pasta when you first put it in the pot so it doesn't stick together. And pay close attention to that because you don't want it mushy. You want it nice and al dente. Once the bacon is getting close to done, you're going to add in your minced garlic and a pinch of red pepper flake, moving it around frequently to avoid burning the garlic. And once the garlic is smelling nice and done, add a ladle or two of boiling pasta water to the bacon and garlic, stirring that to deglaze all those yummy bacon bits off the bottom of the pan. Right after that, you'll want to add a ladle of the pasta water into your egg mixture. But don't just dump it in there all at once. You want to make sure you're stirring that egg and cheese while you slowly add the pasta water. Why take this step, you ask? Let me explain. What you're doing here is you're tempering the egg mixture. You're making it warmer so that when you add it into the hot pan with the pasta, it doesn't instantly turn into scrambled eggs. So, once you've tempered your egg and cheese mixture, turn off the heat on the bacon and garlic, take your perfectly al dente pasta from the pot and put it into the frying pan while constantly moving the pasta. Slowly add the tempered egg and cheese mixture. Once you've added all the cheese and egg mixture, you should have a perfectly creamy sauce on your perfectly cooked pasta. And at this point, you can eat it as it is, or you can add in some frozen peas, stir those in, cover for a few minutes just to warm those peas through. And if you feel like you need the sauce to be just a bit saucier, then add a ladle or two of pasta water while stirring to thin it out. This creamy, cheesy, smoky, very American version of the Italian classic carbonara is sure to be a great big hit in your house. Please do give it a try today. And if you like what you see here, give us a like and subscribe, and come back next week when I'll explain another one to you.